International Criminal Court paves way for war crime probe in Palestinian territory. Mass anti-coups protests continue in Myanmar. Prime Minister Imran Khan says Kashmiris will succeed in the struggle for the right to self-determination. Russia expelled diplomat from Germany, Poland and Sweden over the naval protest claims. UN-led Libya forum select a new interim government. 21 security personnel include the commander of the Afghan army killed during the clashes with Taliban in Afghanistan. UN urges maximum restraint as Indian farmer protests widen blockade. New Philippine military chief assure respect for the rule of law in the fight against terror.